Hello everyone, कैसे हैं आप लोग? I am Agam Shah and we are going to discuss about fundamental power system course. And today in this tutorial we are going to discuss about single line diagram. So first of all, what is single line diagram? So here is the block diagram of single line diagram. First of all, there is a generator, which is a generating unit or any generating station. Then comes the step up transformer that does the stepping up of voltage level. So we can transfer it to long distances. Due to power loss, we do this stepping up of voltage level. Then comes the transmission line that we see in towers or at high heights. So in this way, the transmission line goes to step down transformer. Then we do the stepping down of voltage level, so we can easily get the rated voltage or we needful voltage level at our home or any appliances or any machineries. So in our according to our choice, we get the voltage levels by stepping down in the voltage level of transformer, and then we directly apply it to load. So in this way, the single line diagram, this is the shown line is only one line, but really there are three lines, that is three phase line. So just to make it the simpler diagram, I have used only one line. So here in this way, the whole power system works from generator to load. So coming to single line diagram, what is it? So it's a simplified way of representing a three phase power system. Here one line chart uses a single line to represent all three phases. That's what I have told to you. Then a bulk power system is a highly complicated and interconnected system. Like circuit breakers are used, isolators are used, power cables are used, circuit. Then many protective devices are used, transformer are used, transmission lines and towers. But all the things cannot be mentioned in a single line diagram. So just a block diagram or just a simpler way of understanding the whole power system, we can be define it as a single line diagram. So the assets that make up a power grid are transformer, circuit breaker, protected devices. That's what I have discussed with you now. So in this way, a bulk power system is a highly complex interconnected system, and to reduce that and to understand it in a simpler way, we use the single line diagram. So this is for the this is uh, power supply system. So how does the supply system works? A bit complicated way of the simpler single line diagram which we have understood. So here first comes the generating unit, that is RYB. Then the step up transformers, as discussed, the voltage level is stepped up. Then you can see a block of transmission level, that is 132 kV, 400 kV or 220 kV. So in this voltage level range, the first of all stepping up of transformer takes place. And according to need, that other grids are used for using this level of voltage level. Then we have a sub transmission line that reduces the voltage level to 66 kV. Then if large consumers are there on any or any area is there which needs high voltage level, then we use sub transmission line there of 66 kV. Then we reduce the voltage level to primary or secondary distribution, that is 33 kV or 440 volt or 230 volt. And then it comes to our home, that is the least load needness, that is of 230 volt or 400 volt. So in this way the whole power supply system works. And this is for the this tutorial come up, we will be further going to proceeding this course in the next tutorial. So be with us and thank you.